We love coming here because the energy and excitement from the kids is electric. Today this is our Greenpower Goblin event with our elementary students in grades 4 through 6. And we give kids an opportunity to build, race, design electric race cars that they themselves get to drive.
The kids start with 5 or 6 boxes full of car parts, including individual bolts and washers, and then they build the car from scratch. It is an after-school club and it is extra time, but the kids get so much from it.
It gives them a chance to come out and realize they can learn something while having a lot of fun doing it.
Through our Office of Energy Policy, we sponsor part of this program by giving grants in the area of energy education.
Everything around these cars are associated with the 4th grade science program. It's reinforcing what they learn about energy and the world around them.
This is teaching kids about electric vehicles. I think of it as a workforce development initiative. I mean, we are grooming the next generation who are going to work on EVs, so we're very excited to be part of the program.